Yeah. Now, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed those things. Uh, Code to data and data to code and some performance tools like that. Fine. If we are working on these brownfield implementation projects or any greenfield implementation project, whatever it is, we have to concentrate on performance. 1 minute. Yeah. So first of all, we have to concentrate on performance checks. Okay. Next, we have to uh, focus on open SQL statements. Okay. And some CDS views and some AMDP. So most of the times, we have to concentrate on these concepts. Okay, some performance checks and open SQL statements, CDS views, and AMDP. Okay, and these three concepts will come under code push down mechanism. Okay, code push down mechanism. Yesterday we have discussed write some code to data like that. So same thing. So, we can call it both ways, no issue. Two names like that. Okay, code push down. Fine. Fine. We already checked these performance checks and uh, coming to the code push down technologies. Okay, here open SQL statements. So here in ECC also we are writing some open SQL statements. So we are writing the code in SAP GUI. So in SAP GUI also we can write the code. Okay, in HANA also we can write the code in SAP GUI for open SQL statements. And coming to the CDS views and AMDP, you cannot create CDS views and AMDP in SAP GUI. Okay, so for that one, SAP is proposing one option here, that is ADT. ABAP development tool. Okay, a lot of guys will ask like in normal terms, so they will spell like ADT. Okay, ADT is nothing but some ABAP development tool. So what is the use of this one? We can write our programs, okay, or classes or function modules or tables. So how we are working on SAP GUI? Okay, same. All options can work here also in ADT also. Okay, so to create the program, SAP is providing two options: SAP GUI first option, second option is ADT. Okay, and one more thing. Here we can create some CDS as well as AMDP. Okay, CDS and AMDP also it is possible through ADT, but these two concepts we cannot create in SAP GUI. Okay, now if you want to open this ADT, how can we open this ADT here? SAP is proposing two ways. Okay, to open ADT, SAP is proposing two ways. First one is the Eclipse. Second one is the HANA Studio. So most of the guys have already listened about this Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse and HANA Studio. Both tools they have given. Okay. So actually Eclipse is the open tool. Okay, anyone can download it and anyone can use that one. Okay, and HANA Studio, based on this Eclipse, SAP has introduced this tool here, HANA Studio. Okay, so you can use both, nothing, no issue. Fine. What are the advantages by using this ADT? See here some uh, here SAP GUI already it is there, but now SAP is introducing this ADT. Then what are the advantages by using this ADT here? Okay, so first of all, I will open this ADT. So this is normal SAP GUI, right? So this is the GUI, SAP GUI. Now ATT we can open through Eclipse as well as HANA Studio. Okay, two tools we can use. So I will prefer Eclipse. Okay, so no issue, you can use anything. So I am opening this Eclipse here. So click on launch button. Yeah, 1 minute. I have to close some options here. Fine. Fine. So here we have to click on here something options are there, some icons are there, right? In the right side, top right side. So here this is called like perspectives. Okay, perspectives. We have to click on ABAP perspective because we are working on ABAP, application layer, and we are working on ABAP, right? So we have to click on ABAP perspective here. So the first one is ABAP perspective. Okay, this is ADT here. So in this ABAP perspective, we can write our programs. So whatever we are creating in our SAP GUI, same things we can create in ABAP perspective here. Okay, in this ABAP perspective, we can create some CDS views and AMDP also. Okay, and here if you want to add something new server I want to add here, at that time you have to click on this button here. Some down arrow mark is there, right? So click on that down arrow mark and click on add project, ABAP project here, and you have to see it is asking like uh, in SAP GUI how many servers you have added here. Okay, those all servers information will come automatically here. Okay, by clicking on this down arrow mark and click on ABAP project here, automatically it is coming all the server information here. Okay, just I'm clicking. This is not the correct way to add this ECC server here. Just I'm adding here like this. Click on next button and you have to provide the system ID. Okay, system ID and some applications server and the instance number. Okay, if we click on next button, it will ask the user ID and password and click on finish. In this way, we can add the server here. Okay, so you can add some development quality production. Yeah, someone is asking question. Okay, Okay, we can add some development quality production servers in the single screen here. Okay, and as it is open platform, we can work on some different technologies also. Okay, so if you are working on Java, so that Java also will work in this Eclipse. Okay, and if you are working on something Oracle, so that will also we can perform in this Eclipse. Okay, this is an open platform. Anyone can use this one. UI5, Fiori, okay, on SAP, Java, Oracle, .NET, whatever it is. So all the sources or all the technologies we can use by using this Eclipse. Okay, and if you want to see how can we work on Java like that, okay, we have to select some perspectives. Yes, we are working on ABAP, we have to select the ABAP perspective here. Okay, and if I want to work on Java, okay, then we have to select Java perspective here. Java doubly something is there. Okay, so in this way, how many perspectives are there? Okay, I have to see all the perspective here. All the perspectives are not coming. It is showing something five or six perspectives it is showing here, but it will contain lot of perspectives. Okay, it will contain lot of perspectives. Just click on this plus symbol here, open perspective. Click on that symbol here, and you can see here the perspectives. Okay, different technologies. Okay, ABAP perspective we have to use here, and ABAP profiling is different. ATL, BW modeling. Okay, in SAP only BW is one more module here. And the debugging in the SAP, if you want to debug, okay, in ABAP layer, if you want to do something debugging, then one more perspective we have to open here. So that is a debugging perspective. And something Git is there. Okay, Java is there. HANA, HANA administration console, HANA development, HANA modeler. Okay, so these three concepts when we have to use. Okay, so if you want to work on the database directly, okay, if you want to work on database directly, then we have to go to HANA modeler, HANA development, and HANA administration like that. Okay, but as an ABAPer, we will work on application layer, not in the database layer, right? So we have to choose ABAP. Okay, as we are working on application layer, we have to select ABAP. Okay? And we have to select this HANA modeler or HANA administration or HANA development whenever we are working on database. Okay, directly we will work on database. We will work on these concepts also. Okay, fine. So, sorry. So click on this paste button, and if you want to add something HANA development. Okay, here the HANA development is not available. How can I see this one? Yes, some icons are coming, right? So this notepad something icon is coming, right? So that icon is not available here, means this is not added. I want to add this one here, the shortcuts. Okay, these all are shortcuts here. So just click on this button and click on open button. See, this is the HANA database. Okay, so the perspective came here. SAP HANA development. Okay, I want to work on ABAP. Click on this ABAP. So in this way, we can work on different technologies. Okay, here the technology we will call as perspective. Okay, we will call it as perspective. For example, if you guys will install this ADT or Eclipse or HANA Studio in your system. Okay, so at that time you will not get these all things. Okay, here also if you click on this button, they cannot see any perspectives here. Okay, they have to install. So whatever they want SAP, they want Oracle, they want Java. So whatever they want, they have to install separately here. So how can we install that one? Okay, now click on this help button and click on install new software here. Okay, I am not trying to install anything. Just I am showing you the way how can we install the uh, uh, perspectives here. Okay, how can we install the some different technologies? We have to add the technologies in this Eclipse, right? For that one I am telling this, click on help button, click on install new software here, and here we have to add some link here. If you click on scroll down, it is showing something different links here. Okay, so initially you will not get these links, okay, because you have installed it freshly, so it will not display anything. Okay, I have installed this many of things, that is why it is showing like this. So if you want to uh, uh, pick the link, how can we uh, take the link? Okay, just Google it. Okay, install ABAP development tool ADT. Okay, fine. It is not opening here. Some restrictions are there, I think. Uh, Let me open here. Okay. So where, see here, we can see the links like this. So they have given some uh, types here. Okay, some workspace they are giving here, something Eclipse hyphen workspace something. So if you follow some blocks here, we can get that information. Okay, how to install this one. So same thing they told here, some help button and click on install new software. And here they are giving something link here, HTTPS. So this is the link here. Okay, HTTPS colon slash slash tools dot hana dot on demand dot com slash latest something. Okay, here we have to select that ADT, ABAP development tools. Okay, we are working on ABAP application layer, right? So we have to select this one. Okay, in this link it may contain different options. Okay, so first one is the ADT, ABAP perspective will come here, and if we select this BW for HANA, okay, we can work on BW also. Okay, and this HANA tools is nothing but this HANA development tool, HANA modeling tools, these all things. Okay, tool is nothing but some perspective or technology. Okay, in different terms we will call it here. Okay, we can copy this one and we can paste in our Eclipse. Okay, so just example, I'm adding this one here and click on next button and click on finish button. Just I have selected it here. So in this link it is it can install this many of options here. So I have selected, I have given something link here. By using that link we can install this many of technologies, some Linux general purpose tools, some database development. So these all things we can download here, but as of now I am not downloading. This is a rental server, so I am not doing anything here. I am not disturbing this one. A lot of guys will work on the same system, so I'm not disturbing it. So if you have installed newly this Eclipse or HANA Studio, you can download it. Okay, so if you download, then only it will come here. Okay. And one more option to open the perspectives. Okay, click on Windows button and click on perspective and click on other perspectives here, and you can see all the perspectives. Okay, if you are not able to see this icon initially, then we can come like this. Okay, Windows perspective, and open perspective and others. Okay, fine. Now, uh, I will open GUI and I want to search for one program. Okay, even I will go to HANA only. Okay, HANA system only I am opening here. And so if I want to open something program, okay, then where I have to go? I have to execute SC38 transaction, and here we have to give the program name. Yesterday I have created some AOH2 something. Yeah. So this is the program, right? Now you can click on display button. Okay. So this is the way. And if I want to open something a function module, okay, then is it possible to give the function module here? I will write something read text. Read text is the function module. If I try to open it here, it will throw some error. Okay, because the program name is not available here because this is the function module only. This is not the program. So we have to execute one more transaction to open the function module, that is SC37 transaction. And here I am giving the read text function module and click on display button. Now it will open here because this is the correct place to open this function module, right? And the same way, if you want to open something class methods like that, then is it possible to provide the class name here? No, it will not accept here. You have to go to SC24 transaction and you have to give the class name there and you have to click on display button. That is the way, right? But coming to this ADT, here something option is there. First of all, login it here. Okay, so I just logged in here. Just double click on it and it will ask the user ID and password. Just provide those things and click on enter button. Automatically it will open like this. Okay, and now I want to search the program name. Okay, whatever I have searched in this uh, program in AC38 transaction. So ZAOH. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. So the program name is this one. I will copy it here and I will go to ADT Eclipse. So in this Eclipse, here one option is there. Okay, open ABAP development object. The shortcut key is Control Shift A. Click on this button here, and I am providing something program name here ZAOH2 test like that. Okay, so it is giving some information. The program name it is displaying here. If you double click on it, automatically it will open the program here. Okay, program is opening. Fine, I'm clicking on one more time here, and here I want to search for a read text function module and read text function module. So if you click, I mean if you are searching here, it is showing something results here. Okay, so read text is coming here, double click on it. The function module came here. Okay, fine, I want to search for something, a class name. Okay, cl underscore exit. Something one more class here. Okay, cl underscore exit underscore something master is coming here. This is the class here. Okay, class name. So this type of things. Okay, whatever it is, either it is a program or table or uh, any function module, class, whatever it is, we can directly open. Okay, when in a single place we can open. Okay, that is one advantage here to open the any object, not required to go to a specific transaction. In a single shot, we can get all the information, whatever it is. Okay, and uh, so yesterday we have created this program, right? Just activated it, and now I'm getting something problem. So just assume I'm working on real time object. So at that time we will get some thousands of lines of code here, right? So how can we get to know the values, how the data is flowing? In the debugging we can get to know, right? At that time in the middle, I have done some mistake. Okay, in the program I have done some mistake. At that time I have to adjust that one. Then what we have to do? So we have to see, I'm going here, same program, I'm clicking on change button. Here I will go to the debugging. Okay, it went to the debugging. Now here I'm just selecting the data from VBAP and from VBAK, and after that one I want to display something information here. Okay, see here the data is displaying some sales information and AUDAT and something matter post or something is coming here. But so before that one I want to display something sales information, like that I want to write here. Okay, but in the middle of the debugging, is it possible to write something code here? It's not allow here, right? We have to execute total program. Okay? We have to execute total program, and we have to come back here, we have to write here. Okay, come to the ADT here. I'm giving something breakpoint here. Okay, breakpoint. So just double click on see something small ash color column is coming here. Okay, so you can double click at that place, then automatically one symbol is coming, right? So this is the debugging symbol. Okay, now click on execute button here. So this is the execute button. So it is asking you confirm a perspective switch. Means, so if you want to do something debugging in ADT, then we have to open one more perspective, that is debugging perspective. Okay, debugging perspective. So click on switch button, no issue. Okay, click on this. See the cursor, I mean if you see here in the perspective, the debugging perspective has selected here. Okay. This is a debugging perspective, right? Now you can see here something options F5, F6, F7, F8, whatever we can see in the program. Okay, in me sorry, in SAP GUI, same options are coming here, F5, F6, F7, F8. So now I want to write something code here. Okay, in the middle of the debugging, I want to display, right? Okay, in SAP GUI, I have opened it in editable mode, so it is showing something error message already. It's editing like that. Okay, now I will try to write the code. Right. Sales information. Right. Click on activate button. Here activate button is there, right? So click on activate button. So it's activated now. Okay, it's activated now. Now, if you click on F5 button, this syntax will not execute here. Okay, in the middle of the program, just I got get to know I have to write something code here. I have to modify something code here. Okay, at that time, in the debugging mode only, we can write that code. Okay, we can modify the existing code. Okay, but that existing, I mean, that modified code will not work at that time. Okay, so it has, I mean, we have to execute the program one more time, then it will work. So click on F8 button. So this is F8, click on F8 button. Where is it? Go to the ABAP, perspective here. what happened? 1 minute. I will remove this breakpoint and activate it, execute it. So now the data is coming here. Okay, so the sales information was coming now. Okay, sales information is coming now. uh, the motto is, how can we edit the code in the debugging? Okay, so in SAP GUI that option is not available, but in ADT that option is available. Okay, and what are the advantages there? Hmm. And something like templates, something is there option. Let me check that one. Just assume so this code is there, right? Some looping statement, loop at LTVBAP into LSVBAP, and I'm writing something read table and write syntax and end loop like that. Okay, loop and end loop, I'm writing something code here, but this code I have to write in multiple programs and multiple places. I have to write the same code. At that time, I will do one thing here. I will create something template. Okay, how can we create the template here? Just right click on the screen, and here some preferences is coming here. Click on this preferences, and some here we have to check for template or code template. Okay, here some ABAP templates is coming. Just select it here, ABAP templates. Okay, now we are creating the new one, right? So click on new here, and the name I'm giving here like right, SO loop. Okay. SO loop I'm giving here. I mean sales order loop I'm giving here, and in the pattern just I have copied the code from the program, and I'm pasting it here and click on OK button. Okay, and click on apply and close it here. Okay, so if you want to write the same code anywhere, so now I will write like so underscore loop. Okay, after that one click on control plus space button, it will show the templates here. Okay, template, just click on that button, automatically all the code will copy and paste it here. Okay, so this is one more option, I mean some advantages. So this option is not available in SAP GUI. Okay, so while working on this ADT, then we can get to know a bit more features. Okay, so find out all the features at a time and explain these things, that is not possible. So while we are working on the concept, while we are working on the ADT, then we will get to know the features. Okay, these are the minimum features. Okay, fine. So anyone have doubt up to here? Why we have to use ADT and instead of GUI? What are the advantages? So anyone have doubt here? No question. Fine. Fine. Now, I will come to the open SQL statements now. So ADT is okay now. Everyone got to know about the ADT. What is the use of this one? Instead of SAP GUI, we can go for ADT like that. Everyone got to know the information. Now, I will go for some open SQL statements. Okay, code push down techniques. Three techniques are there, right? Open SQL statements. So first one. So before 7.4, okay, before 7.4, a few I mean, a few syntaxes will not work here. I mean, let me write one or two functionalities here. Okay, so if you want to write something case statement, okay, if you want to write something case statement in select query, that is not possible. Okay, before 7.4 version, okay, in the select query, I want to write something case statement. It will not allow here. Okay, system will not allow here. It will throw some error message. Guys, the class will disconnect in 1 minute. Please reconnect it once again by using the same link. Right outer join. Okay, coming to the joins concept, you can write the inner join as well as the left outer join. Okay, so all of you know about joins concept. I'm not explaining that concept as of now, joins concept. Okay, just I'm telling